Hello guys, what's up? Today we're gonna draw. Okay, there. What do we have here? Yo! Let me erase it. There. So we're gonna start with this. A little bit green here. Okay, done. Okay, a little bit green here. Done as two. Okay. And we're gonna add some black. Black. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, let's put a little bit here. Boom! It's almost done. Okay, now put a color brown here. Yeah. Okay, now we are almost done. Okay. Done. Okay. What is this? Comment down below. Like and subscribe. Dude, ah, to go. What? Oh.